Opportunities in housing, volatility with rates, expected appreciation here, some updated numbers. Thanks again for joining me on Midweek Mortgage Talk. Wanted to go through a few of these things. So we have seen some volatility with rates here the past week and a half. We will see this. It's not going to continue in a straight line down. So there's always going to be that up and down. I do feel the worst is behind us. We're actually seeing some multiple offers already due to some limited inventory in certain markets. But we do feel the stage is set for a strong housing market this spring. We know that inflation is the leading indicator or leader of mortgage rates. So we saw that, we'll see that continue to go down. We already saw those highs last year. Yes, the CPI numbers, which is the Consumer Price Index for inflation, came out this week. We did show some improvement, but not as expected. So rates rose a little bit. And that tagged along with some good job numbers. Interest rates probably rose a quarter. And we will continue to see inflation come down, which ultimately will bring interest rates down, which will kind of give this an extra boost to the housing market from what we're already seeing. So I think everyone's kind of realizing that we're not going to go back into those twos and threes. So the waiting of for someone willing to wait, or someone trying to wait until that happens, I think that's kind of gone now, and people are starting to realize that yes, this is the new normal. And when it comes to appreciation, the home price expectation survey just came out, and average out of 100 economists, the average expect the appreciation rates to go up 4.5% year over year. So we need to focus on opportunities. This may be a changing mindset here, and we need to know that there's, some opportunities right now in the market. There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of talks. There's always that recession, housing bubble. Rates are too high. I think we kind of got to think long term. Housing and owning a home is stability. So changing that mindset and thinking that way and kind of looking at the numbers instead of just watching what's on the news out there is going to help you with that mindset. If you have $20,000 today and you put it in the stock market, yes, 4 years from now, you're going to gain some appreciation. You might be, even at a 7% return, you'll probably be a little bit over $26,000, which is a decent return. But if you take that $20,000 and put 5% down on a $400,000 home, after 4 years with this expected appreciation rate of 4.5%, you're looking at almost $100,000 in equity, which is going to bring some more opportunities for you to either buy some investment properties, or there's just a lot more to it, and you're building wealth a lot quicker that way through home ownership. So there's a lot of questions still. We're next Wednesday on February 22nd at 5:30. I'm going to have a home buyer guidance seminar. We're going to be talking about where we're headed in 2023. Are there opportunities? I'm going to bring data to the table to help you navigate through the housing market here this year. So if you're on the fence, not sure if you're willing to buy or not sure if you're going to buy this year, bring your questions. I'm here to help out. So link is below. Hopefully you can join us next Wednesday at 5:30 p.m. Central Time and find out if home buying is right for you, or good time to buy it for you this year. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys on Midweek Mortgage Talk next week. Bye.